स्टेज पर ही आ जाए पीछे की जानिब। राबिया, कौसर, महमूदुल हसन, और गीत के लिए नमीरा, शिफा, तस्मिया जो है वो भी पीछे आ जाए। लीजिए, हमारे सामने अंग्रेजी जबान में इजहार ख्याल कर रही है अंसारी युमना रियाज अहमद।
Honorable President, respected guests, respected principal and teachers and my all colleagues, Assalamu alaikum. I would like to thank you to give me such a great opportunity to speak something on our Republic Day. My name is Yumna. I read in 6th class. Today we all are here to celebrate 68th Republic Day of our nation. This is a great and auspicious occasion for all of us. We should greet each other and pray to God for the development and prosperity of our nation. We celebrate Republic Day in India every year on 26th of January as the Constitution of India came into force. At this day, we are regularly celebrating the Republic Day of India since 1950. India is a democratic country where public is authorized to elect its leaders to lead the country. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was our first president of India since we got independence from the British rule in 1947. Our country has developed a lot and counted among the powerful countries. Together with some development, some drawbacks have also arisen, such inequality, poverty, unemployment, corruption, illiteracy, etc. We need to take a pledge today for solving such problems in the society to make our country the best country of the world. Thank you.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छे। देखो कितनी बेहतरीन अंग्रेजी में इस बच्ची ने तकरीर की है। अब हम अंग्रेजी मीडियम वालों से टक्कर ले सकते हैं, इल्म सरदार वाले। अब ये बच्ची जो है इसको इसके बाद